Are you looking for one-level living, but yet near the cities? So I'm in a townhome in Plymouth that checks the location box, right? Because that's the #1 rule in real estate: location, location, location. And this one has it. It's close to County Road 6 and 494. It has a pond view from almost every room. And it's got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage. It's got a fireplace. You just need to see it in person. Next best thing would be a walkthrough video, right? So let's do that. All right, as you approach the entrance of this townhome, you can see you've got easy access to the patio. So guests can simply join you on the patio, not even having to go inside. And you're overlooking the pond. Inside, we've got a spacious living room. This could be a little dining area here. Little gas fireplace. New appliances, new cabinetry. Basically, this place has been totally renovated. New fixtures throughout. Down this hallway, you've got the entrance to the garage, closet on your right, mechanicals on your left. And almost every room in this townhome has a view of the lake, which is really special. And if you want to get that cabin feel, check out this room. Knotty pine throughout. You've got a little gas stove, provide a little heat, air conditioner for a little extra AC, and a pond view. You know, just looking at that makes me want to get my skates on. Not today. Down this hallway, we've got the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here is a full bath. Again, new fixtures, totally new layout. This is the 2nd bedroom. That is a full wall closet. That one would be tough to fill up. And then the primary suite features a large closet over there, kind of a brick wall, and another view of the pond. And then in here, we have the primary suite with dual vanities and a shower. This one was originally listed for $499,900. It's not on the market currently, but is obviously very move-in ready. So, if you or someone you know is interested in this townhome, have them give Ingle a jingle.